Good morning, class 3 students. How are you? I hope you are all well. Okay, I am well. Now it's your English grammar class. And in the previous class, we have learned many rules how to change from singular to plural. In this class, we also learned some rules. The first rule for you: if any word ends with f or fe, then we drop the f or fe and add ves. In the previous class, we have learned from f or fe to ves, like wolf. F, we drop the f and write wolves, wolves. Knife, we drop the fe and write knives, knives. Okay, but in this class we will learn the exception rule of this given rule. Like the first example, roof, rwf, roof. Do you know what is the plural form? Roofs, rwfs, roofs. Proof, proof, proofs. In some case, some words end with f, but they do not take vs. We just add s to make it plural. Is that clear? You have to remember the words like roof, roof. Okay, like chief, chief, chief. We know chief. যে কোনো জিনিসের প্রধান হয় চিফ, আমরা জানি চিফ মিনিস্টার. ওকে, so chief. Do you know what is the plural form? chefs. Okay, is that clear? This is an exceptional rule. Next, second rule. Okay, y to is. If any words end with y, then we add is to make it plural, like city. We drop the y and add is, like cit. What we drop the y and add is. City, like baby, babish. Okay, is that clear? But in this class we will learn another rule. Some words end with y, but if there is a vowel before the y, then we simply add s to make it plural, like monkey, monkey, monkey. Do you know what is the plural form? Monkeys, monkeys. Look, there is a vowel before the y. Okay, so we add simply s, like আমরা বলি Sunday, Monday, day, days, days, days. A vowel, so we add s. Is that clear? This is the second rule. Next rule. Some singular nouns that end with o become plural by adding es. You have to remember the words like o to es. Okay, like mango. Do you know what is the plural form? We add es, mangoes, mangoes, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Okay, these words ends with o and we add es, potatoes, mangoes, buffaloes. Okay, but remember this rule has also an exception, like some words that end with o, we simply add s to make it plural, like here are the words like piano. The plural form is pianos, pianos, not es, only s, o, but s. Okay, like photo, photos, 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 like kilo. O, but remember O, here is O but kilos, kilos, kilos. Another word, rhino, 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 rhinos, rhinos. We don't add es. Remember these words like piano, photo, kilo, rhino, like radio, radio, radio. Do you know the plural form? Radios, radios, radio, radio, radios. These words only takes es, especially the foreign words only take es, don't take es. Is that clear? Next rule. In case of compound nouns, we add es. We make the plural of the root word, like mother, mother-in-law, mother-in-law. Do you know the plural form? Mothers-in-law, mothers-in-law. Like sister-in-law. So, what is the main word? Here, mother is the main word. The sister, root word, sisters-in-law. Okay. Sisters-in-law. Is that clear? So, we in case of compound nouns, we add s to the root word, like mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. Is that clear? Here are another words: father-in-law, brothers-in-law, stepsons, stepsons. Okay. And remember, some singular nouns do not change their form. Do not change their form. Change their form. Singular or plural, the same word, like sheep. Sheep, singular, plural, same word. Sheep, fish, deer, মানে হরিণ. Hare, sheep, fish, deer, hare, চুল. Okay. Sheep, fish, deer, hare, tea, coffee. Remember these words. Remember like a rhyme. Sheep, fish, deer, hare, tea, coffee. These words do not change their form when they are singular or plural. They are always the same. Okay. And next rule. And some singular nouns are always used in plural. Always plural. Okay. Like pants, scissors, tongs, oats, binoculars, spectacles, spacecraft, aircraft. Remember these words like pants, scissors, tongs, oats, binoculars, spectacles, spacecraft, aircraft. These words are always used in plural. They don't have singular form. So is that clear? This is the rules of changing how to change singular to plural. Remember, এই ওয়ার্ডগুলো তোমরা বারবার প্র্যাকটিস করবে খাতায় লিখে, ওকে? Practice the words in your copybook. Is that clear? Thank you.